G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo. Warm jigger to another rip roaring episode. Today, I'm going to talk to you guys and girls out there about the humble old Carpenter's pencil. Carpenter's pencils come in three main hardnesses: soft, medium, and hard. Now, they usually have their own colours as well. So a medium's red, hard is usually a green, and the soft is usually a blue or a yellow. I almost always go for a medium, works really, really well. The only time I use a hard is when I'm using it for masonry. So if I'm doing brickwork or tile work. The Carpenter's pencil's been around as long as a pencil's been around. They are super handy, and the way that they're shaped is so that we can use those pencils or utilize those pencils for their shape. For example, if I am marking a skirt along the ground, I can either have the pencil up on its edge and get the shape of the floor to the skirt, or I can hold it on its flat and get a perfect mark if I'm doing a tile cut or something along those lines, or a tile mark. So it's very versatile that way. Another thing is I can change the shape of the lead very quickly and easily, and only just with a quick lick of my Stanley knife. One of my favourite tricks is, which I learned back in my apprenticeship days, is sometimes when we're drilling a hole or something like that, we can do it a little bit too big, or a screw has threaded out and it's not holding the materials together. So one of my old teachers taught me that all you need to do is just take off the end of your pencil, and then you can use that to fill up your hole, and then the screw will hold it back into place again. Super quick and easy little trick, and I found that super handy, super duper duper handy over the many years that I've done carpentry for. If you learn how to use the Carpenter's and joiner's pencil well, then you will have a Carpenter's joiner's pencil in your skyrocket for the rest of your career. And if not, you'll have it in your car forever and always. I love a Carpenter's pencil, and I have to say a big fat thank you to whoever invented it. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and like always, stay unreal banana peel and I'll see you in the soup.